Hello, we're back. It's been a while. I haven't made a video in quite some time, but we're getting back after it here for this winter. I said I'd do it last winter and I didn't do it. I think one of my last videos was winter projects for last year. Did some rust repair, not much else. But now we're undergoing a transformation here. You can see the corner lights are out. I'm taking out the headlights and we are throwing on the body kit this winter, which will also include throwing on the header, OBX header that I have. This was a random fall mod, but you'll see got angle from Timmy Lock. We got nothing else really changed. Nothing else has changed, a couple new scrapes. But other than that, we're out here doing some work on the car. About to drop all of this so we can drop the front bumper and chop the very dented chin. Hit quite a few tires and cones this season, so we got that going. But taking out the headlights, which is just a bolt here, one down further over here, and this one. So it's pretty simple. I was looking online, couldn't find anyone talking about it. Oh, and this one, this little screw for the grill, but I couldn't find anyone talking about it. So in case you're wondering, it's three nuts and a bolt and then one bolt here. So that drops the whole front. As you can see, I've already got the corner lights over here. So we'll keep going and I'll film the progress. So it's the next day. I didn't get to finish up yesterday putting the front bumper on. I ran out of cutting wheels. This is currently how the Cressida sits. I need to modify this bumper beam a little bit more. As you can see, I was working on cutting this through to work on the fitment, and shredded my wheel. So I was forced to call it quits. I did get some nice overnight Amazon cut-off wheels from Benchmark Abrasives. Shout out to them. 50 wheels for like $32. Got it within 12 hours. Tasteful. I'll let you know how they are. And yeah, so we'll get back to cutting. Woo! Well, I usually get pretty carried away with working and not filming, so here we are. Got a little upgrade here. It's back together at least. Fitment is alright on this side-ish. Not perfect, and it's pretty terrible on the other side. So I'll have to do some significant trimming. See, I did a little trimming. I need to do some more here. But good first fit. Got to figure out something to do with the blinkers, turn signals. They're just kind of stuffed in there for now, but I was able to fit the factory bar back there after significant amounts of modification. And yeah, oh, it's starting to rain, so just in time, I guess. Leaving the corner lights out for the moment, just to continue to dial in the fitment. We'll see if they hit here, which it looks like it will. So we'll have to figure it out. But for now, 2 days work. Not a whole lot of progress, but I guess I'm satisfied for now. Not much more I can ask for, and now you can see it's starting to pour rain, so I better get cleaning. Look at all these little chops I made on the bumper. Chop, 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 chop. So, it's a new day here with the Cressida. It's pretty warm out today. It's like 60. It's about to start pouring rain. Got the 240 outside. Got the bumper fitted, but not fitted perfectly. Haven't gotten the side markers back in. Need to do a little trimming and fitting here. Obviously needs a little gap work, but today our focus is going to be working on the side skirts. So as you can see right now, the fender has rusted right off from the mounting point here from mud flap action. So this is the only thing holding it on both sides. So I'm gonna have to create some little mounts that will attach here, and I'll just weld it up to the fender to hold that in so it's not a huge gap. You can see right now it even has a gap. So I'll pull that back in a little bit, get that fitting nice so that the side skirts aren't flapping around with the fender like this. On the highway they already flap a little bit, so yeah, that'll be today's task, and getting the side skirt fitted. So here's how we're looking to start off, and should have some skirts on there soon. Alright, so now that the trim piece is off, you'll be able to see how flappy this really is. So obviously going to want to adhere that. So I'm going to fit this skirt up first and see how much adjustment the front fender really needs, and then I'll get to it. Dang, would you look at that? Side skirt, somewhat fitted alright. hole in there. This thing's not fitted very well.
That's pretty close.
It's really coming together here. What's up, everyone? Just finishing it off here. I'll be making another video for the back bumper and probably mounting the fenders, but for now this is how it sits, and I will give you an update next time I have one. So I will catch you soon.